What you're looking at here is my my tuyere, and today we're gonna get the ash dump, the gate for the ash dump built. It's just gonna be a flap that closes this bottom end of the tuyere, and so yeah, I just got myself a piece of I think this is 1/8 inch plate or 10 gauge or something. It's pretty thick. Sketched out a little shape to cover it. So this should go by pretty quick. I'm going to cut that out, drill a hole in it, and I'm going to weld this nut to the side of the tuyere. And I got a little spring here. We're going to kind of clamp it in place, and that'll hold it in position to keep that nice and closed. So let's get to work. Well, like I said, that would be a quick one, so there we go. The whole tuyere. This will go to the bottom of the forge. Got our ash collector, and now we have our ash dump, our little gate. So goes all the way through, so we'll be able to clean it out. Perfect. All right. Looks good.